Welcome to Dr. Sulaiman Habib 4th International Anesthesia Conference. I'm Dr. Ibrahim Hassan, the chairman of this prestigious event. This year we are calling our event as Global Insights 2025. We are bringing together leading experts, cutting-edge innovations, and hands-on workshops to elevate the clinical practice and enhance patient care.
Hello, this is Dr. Helbert, the leader of this year's Airway Workshop at the Dr. Sulaiman International Anesthesia Conference, Global Insights 2025. This year's workshop will include advanced airway techniques, difficult airway pathways, and hands-on experience on using advanced airway tools. Please come and enhance your airway management skills with us. We are very excited to share our knowledge and experience with you.
I am Dr. Alaa Ouraiby, leading the Ultrasound Workshop at Dr. Sulaiman Habib International Anesthesia Conference, Global Insights 2025. Join us as we explore real-time ultrasound guided regional blocks with hands-on practice and expert guidance. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, you will find valuable insights to improve your clinical accuracy and patient outcomes.
Join us for an inspiring journey of learning, collaboration, and excellence in anesthesia. Global Insights 2025.